Appeals Court ruling, Trump is not immune from prosecution. Judicial rebuke and legal precedent. In a resounding legal setback for Donald Trump, a three-judge panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the D.C. Circuit unequivocally rejected his claim of broad immunity from federal prosecution. The court's ruling, a month after Trump's legal team asserted his immunity, was a clear assertion of the principle that no individual, regardless of their former position, is above the law. With precision, the judges articulated, former President Trump has become Citizen Trump, with all of the defenses of any other criminal defendant, firmly establishing the legal foundation upon which Trump must now defend himself. Challenge to presidential authority. Trump's claim of immunity faced intense scrutiny from the special counsel's team, who warned that such immunity could potentially erode the foundations of democracy by shielding presidents from accountability for criminal conduct while in office. It would be a striking paradox if the president, who alone is vested with the constitutional duty to take care that the laws be faithfully executed, were the sole officer capable of defying those laws with impunity, their decision states. Highlighting the inherent contradiction in granting broad presidential immunity, the judges expressed deep concern that such protection could fundamentally undermine the principles of executive accountability. By challenging Trump's assertion, the court underscored the critical importance of upholding the rule of law and ensuring that no individual, regardless of their past office, is exempt from legal scrutiny. Implications for presidential power. Following the court's decision, Trump's spokesman, Stephen Chung, reiterated the former president's commitment to challenging the ruling, citing the imperative to safeguard the presidency and uphold constitutional principles. President Trump respectfully disagrees with the D.C. Circuit's decision and will appeal it to safeguard the presidency and the Constitution, spokesman Stephen Chung said in a statement. However, the court's refusal to grant absolute immunity raises profound questions about the extent of presidential authority and the boundaries of legal responsibility. By rejecting Trump's immunity claim, the judiciary affirmed its role as a check on executive power, signaling a broader commitment to preserving the integrity of the legal system and ensuring accountability for all individuals, including former presidents. Judicial scrutiny and legal responsibility. The court's decision reflects a deeper commitment to upholding the rule of law and ensuring that no individual, regardless of their former status, can evade accountability for alleged criminal acts. One of the D.C. Circuit judges, Florence Pan, pressed Trump attorney D. John Sauer at the oral argument about whether a president might sell pardons or nuclear secrets, or even order a Navy SEAL team to kill a political opponent, and still evade criminal prosecution under his theory of the case. Another, Judge Karen L. Henderson, noted that it seemed paradoxical that presidents would pledge to faithfully execute the laws, only to violate those same laws and receive legal protection. We cannot accept that the office of the presidency places its former occupants above the law for all time thereafter, the judges wrote. Doing so, they said, would collapse our system of separated powers by placing the president beyond the reach of all three branches. By rejecting Trump's immunity claim, the judges underscored the imperative of maintaining the separation of powers and preventing the president from evading legal scrutiny. Emphasizing the potential consequences of unchecked executive immunity, the court affirmed the principle that no individual, not even a former president, is above the law, thus reinforcing the fundamental tenets of American democracy. Political ramifications and legal consequences. As Trump confronts a litany of legal challenges, including serious felony charges related to the 2020 election, the court's decision carries significant implications for both his political future and the federal case against him. If immunity is not granted to a president, every future president who leaves office will be immediately indicted by the opposing party, Stephen Chung said in a statement. Without complete immunity, a president of the United States would not be able to properly function. With Trump's legal battles intersecting with the political landscape, the judiciary's scrutiny of presidential immunity sets the stage for a critical examination of constitutional principles and the balance of power within American democracy. As the legal proceedings unfold, the nation watches closely, anticipating the resolution of one of the most consequential legal battles in recent memory. Thanks for watching. If you like it, comment and hit the like and share buttons. Subscribe for future videos.